Good afternoon, students. In previous session, we discussed about conversion of NDFA to DFA, how we are going to convert this NDFA to DFA, what is the algorithm, what are the various steps to perform to convert the NDFA to DFA, right. In this session also, I am going to give one more example how to convert this NDFA to DFA, right. Before going to start this conversion of NDFA to DFA, just I am going to recall what is the algorithm, how we are going to perform NDFA, how we are going to convert this NDFA to DFA. Here, in this case, here already you know what you mean by NDFA, right. In NDFA, single input, multiple number of output, right. For a single input, we are going to get multiple number of outputs, right. This is for a NDFA, right. Q. For a single input, we are going to apply single input on any state, we are going to get multiple number of state, whereas in case of DFA, single input, single output. Single input on any state, we are going to get single output. This is the DFA, this is the difference between NDFA and DFA. Here, while we are going to convert this NDFA to DFA, here our input is an NDFA or NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. After performing various types of steps, we are going to get the equivalent DFA, we are going to get the equivalent DFA. On these steps are, first one, create a state table from the given NDFA. Now, here if we are going to get if we are having the transition table, then we have to draw the transition diagram. If we are having the transition diagram, then we have to draw the transition table, right. In second step, create a blank state table under possible input alphabets. Here we have to take same input alphabets, right. Here for example, NDFA is having 0, 1 input alphabets, right. Then while we are going to convert this NDFA to DFA, we have to take same 0, 1 input alphabets, that is it, right. Next, in step 3, mark the start state of the DFA by Q naught. Here whatever the starting state of the NDFA is there, same state we are going to take as a starting state while we are going to converting this NDFA to DFA, starting state is same, right. Now, fourth one is the step 4 is find out the combination of states Q0, Q1 up to Qn for each possible input alphabet. In this case here, what are the final states which are present in NDFA, we are going to take all the combination of output states. While we are going to constructing DFA, we are going to take combination of final states. Now, step 5, each time we generate a new DFA state under the input alphabet column, we have to apply this step 4. We here step 4, otherwise go to step 6. Here step 4, we are repeating this step 4. Whenever we are going to get any new state, again we have to perform the same operation. Here whenever we are not going to get any new states, just we have to stop the process and go for the step 6, right. This is the conversion of steps to convert the NDFA to DFA. Already we have taken one example now. Here in this case, I will take one more example. See here, this is the example. Here, how many states are there for this one? This is the NDFA, right? This is NDFA. This is NDFA. Here for the given NDFA, how many number of states are there here? Q equals to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, right. Next, what is sigma? Sigma is the input. Sigma equals to 0, 1, right. Here 0, 1 is 0 is there, 1 is there, 0, 1 sigma, right. Here which one is the transition function? This is the transition function, right. This is the delta, already delta is given. Next, initial state. Here in this example, which one is the initial state? In this example, which one is the initial state? Q0 is there. Which one is the initial state? Q0 is the initial state. Why? Because Q0 is the initial state. See here, in here arrow mark is there. Arrow mark is going to indicate the initial state, right. Now, which one is the final state? Final state for in the given NFA, which one is the final state? Here Q3 is the double circle, that is the reason Q3 is the final state. Here whenever we are going to define any NDFA, we are having 5 tuples Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F. What do you mean by Q? Q is the number of states. In the given example, number of states are Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3, right. What is the sigma? Sigma is input alphabets. Here input alphabets are 0, 1, input alphabets are 0, 1. Next is the delta. Delta is the transition function. Already transition function is given by the NDFA only. Here Q0 is the initial state. Here arrow mark is there. That is the reason we are taking Q0 as the initial state. F is there. F is the subset. F is the set of final state. Here we are having only one final state. So first step, we are defining the NDFA by seeing the transition table. We are defining the NDFA, right. Now here, while we are going to convert this NDFA to DFA, first we have to construct the transition table. We have to construct this transition table, and for the construction of transition table, we have to start from the initial state. Which one is the initial state here? Q0 is the initial state, right. Now perform the transition. Q0 on 0, Q0 on 0. Here what is Q0 on 0? Q0, Q1. Here Q0, Q1 is there. Q0 on 0 is Q0 on 0, Q0, Q1. Q0 on 0 is Q0, Q1. Q0 on 1, Q0 on 1 is Q0. Q0 on 1, Q0, right. Next, here Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1 is the new state. Whenever we are going to get any new state, we have to perform the transition for that particular new state. In this case here, while we are going to applying input on the initial state, we are going to get Q0 and Q1 one state, and Q0 is the one more state. So here which one is the new state? Q0, Q1 is the new state. So we have to take here new state is Q0, Q1. New state is Q0, Q1. Right. Here Q0 is there, already Q0 is there, right. No need to perform this one. Here I am going to use this flower braces. Now draw the transition for this Q0, Q1 state. Q0, Q1, two states are there. While we are going to perform the transition and Q0 and Q1, first we have to take Q0 on 0. What is Q0 on 0? Q0 on 0 is Q0, Q1. Q0 on 0 is Q0, Q1, right. Here remaining state is Q1, Q1 on 0, Q1 on 0, Q2, new state is there, Q2. So we have to write here Q2, right. Now Q0 on 1, Q0 on 1, Q0. Next, Q1 on 1, Q1 on 1, Q1. Right. See here, we apply 0 input on Q0, Q1 state and 1 input on Q0, Q1 state. What we are getting here? Q0, Q1, Q2. Is there any Q0, Q1, Q2 is there? No. So this is the new state. So we have to write the transition for Q0, Q1, Q2, right. Q0, Q1, Q2. We have to write the transition for Q0, Q1, Q2. Here Q0, Q1 is there. Q0, Q1. Is there any state is there? Yes. Q0, Q1 is there. Already this Q0, Q1 is there. So this is not the new state. So we are not going to process this step 4 again. So now our new state is Q0, Q1, Q2. Again we have to apply 0, 1 on Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now Q0 on 0, Q0 on 0, Q0, Q1, Q0 on 0, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1. Now next state is Q1, Q1 on 0, Q1 on 0. So Q2. Is there any Q2 is there? No Q2. So we have to write Q2 here. Q2. Next, Q2 on 0, Q2 on 0, Q3. Is there any Q3 is there here? No. Again we have to write here Q3, Q3, right. Completed. Q0 on 0 is Q0, Q1, Q1 on 0 is Q2, Q2, Q2 on 0 is Q3, Q3, right. Now go for the first input, q naught on 1, q naught on 1, q naught, q naught on 1, q naught. Next q1 on 1, q1 on 1, q1. Right. q2 on 1, q2 on 1, q3. See, while we are applying 0, 1 input on q0, q1, q2 state, we are getting q0, q1, q2, q3 one state, q0, q1, q3 is one more state. See here, q0, q1, q2, q3, is there any state is there here? No. So, this is the new state. So, we have to write the transition for q0, q1, q2 and q3. Next q0, q1, q3, q0, q1, q3, is there any state is there here? No. So, again we have to write the transition for q0, q1, q3. This is one more state. So, now apply 0, 1 input on q0, q1, q2, q3 state. Now, q0 on 0, q0 on 0, q0, q1, q0 on 0 is q0, q1. q0 on 0 is q0, q1, q1 on 0, q1 on 0 is q2, q1 on 0 is q2, q2 on 0, q2 on 0 is q3, right. q3 on 0, pi, there is no transition is there on while we are going to apply 0 input on q3. So, just leave it. Now, we have to apply 1 input on q0, q1, q2, q3, q0 on 1, q0 on 1, q0, q0 on 1 is q0, q1 on 1, q1 on 1, q1, q2 on 1, q2 on 1, q3, q3 on 1, q2, q3 on 1 is q2, right. While we are applying 0, 1 input on q0, q1, q2, q3, we are getting q0, q1, q2, q3 one state, q0, q1, q2, q3. Same, 4 sets are there, q0, q1, q2, q3. These 2 states are same, q0, q1, q2, q3, q0, q1, q2, q3, same. Here, now, here we are getting these 2 states, q0, q1, q2, q3. Is there any state is there? Right, here also we are performing the same state, q0, q1, q2, q3. So, this is not the new state, right. So, no need to write the transition for q0, q1, q2, q3, already we have written the transition for q0, q1, q2, q3. Now, see here q0, q1, q2, q3, already q0, q1, q2, q3 is there. So, this is not the new state. So, this is not the new state. Now, one more new state is there, q0, q1, q3, q0 on 0, q0 on 0, q0, q1, q0, q1. See here, q0 on 0, q0, q1, q1 on 0, q1 on 0, q2, q1 on 0, q2, q3 on 0, q3 on 0 is null. So, leave it. Now, q0 on 1, q0 on 1, q0, q1 on 1, q1 on 1, q1, q3 on 1, q3 on 1 is q2. Now, check for the new state, q0, q1, q2, q0, q1, q2. Is there any state is there here? q0, q0, q1, q0, q1, q2. Here state is there, right? Here state is there. So, this is not the new state. No need to write the transition for this, already there, q0, q1, q2 is there, already we have written the transition for q0, q1, q2. So, this is not the new state. Again q0, q1, q2, again we have to check q0, Q naught Q1, here also Q naught Q1 Q2 is there. So, this is also not the new state. So, here we are not getting any new state. So, we have to stop the process. We have to stop the process. Now, we have to draw the transition diagram. Now, we have to draw the transition diagram for this one, right. How we have to draw this transition diagram? Check this one. How many number of states? Q naught Q1, Q naught Q1 Q2, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3, Q naught Q1 Q3. Here, which one is the final state? Here Q3 is the final state. What are the, wherever Q3 is there, that state becomes the final state. Why? Because in NDFA, our final state is Q3. In NDFA, our final state is Q3. Whenever we are going to here, while we are going to converting this NDFA to DFA, yeah, whenever we are going to get any final state which consisting of Q3, that state becomes the final state. First check this one, Q naught, is there any Q3? No. Q naught Q1, is there any Q3? So, this is not the final state. Q naught Q1 Q2, no Q3 is there, so this is not the final state. Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3, so Q3 is there, this state becomes the final state, right. This state becomes the final state. Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3, this state becomes the final state. Again Q naught Q1 Q3, here Q3 is there, here Q3 is the final state, Q3 is there. So, this state becomes the final state, this state becomes the final state. For this one, here in the given example, while we are going to converting this NDFA to DFA, while we are going to converting this NDFA DFA, in NDFA we are having Q3 final state. Here in the equivalent DFA, wherever Q3 means that is the final state, if that particular final state is present in that particular transition state, that state becomes the final state, that state becomes the final state. In the DFA, how many number of states are there here? Q naught Q1, Q naught Q1 Q2, here Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3, Q naught Q1 Q2, Q naught Q1 Q3 is there. 5 states are there. So, here I will draw here. Here, this is 1, which state here? This is Q naught. First state is the Q naught. Now, here how many states are here? Which state is there? Q naught Q1. So, Q naught Q1, right. Next, here Q naught Q1 Q2. So, Q naught Q1 Q2, Q naught Q1 Q2, right. Q naught Q1 Q2. Next, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3. Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3. Next state is Q naught Q1 Q3. So, Q naught Q1 Q3, Q naught Q1 Q3. Here in this case, which one is the initial state? See here, Q naught is the initial state. So, we have to write this one, Q naught is the initial state. So, we have to indicate by this arrow mark. Now, which one are the final state? Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3. So, this is also the final state. So, we have to double circle this one, we have to double circle. Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3 is one final state, one more final state is Q naught Q1 Q3, one more final state is Q naught Q1 Q3. This is also the one final state, right. Now, this is the DFA. Now, initial state, we recognize the initial state and we recognize the final state. Now, Q naught on 0, Q naught on 0, which state we are getting? Q naught Q1, Q naught on 0, we are getting which state? Here Q naught on 0, Q naught Q1, Q naught on 1, Q naught, Q naught on 1, Q naught. No. Q naught Q1, Q naught Q1 on 0, Q naught Q1 Q2, right. Q naught Q1 on 1, Q naught Q1, same self loop. Q naught Q1 Q2 on 0, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3. Q naught Q1 Q2 on 0, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3. So 0 means we have to get here. Q naught Q1 Q2 on 1, Q naught Q1 Q3. We have to take this arrow mark here. Next, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3 on 0, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3, same self loop. Zero. Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3 on 1, same Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3, same self loop. So 0, comma 1, right. Here transition is completed, Q naught Q1 Q2 Q3 is completed. Now go for the Q naught Q1 Q3, Q naught Q1 Q3 on 0, Q naught Q1 Q2, Q naught Q1 Q2. So here 0, Q naught Q1 Q2, Q naught Q1 Q3 on 1, Q naught Q1 Q2, same Q naught Q1 Q2, comma 1, we are getting the same state, right. Here for this given NDFA, this is the DFA, this is the DFA for the given NDFA. This is the DFA for the given NDFA. First here we are getting this transition table. Transition table is consisting of 4 states, Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3, 0, comma 1 input is there. So if the transition, we are getting transition table means we have to write this states Q initial here, which one is how many number of states Q equals to Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3. Input symbols are 0, comma 1. Here arrow mark is there, that is why Q naught is the initial state. Final state is indicated by circle. So F is the final state Q3. Then we have the, while we are going to converting from NDFA to DFA, first we have to start with the initial state. Here Q naught is the initial state. So we have to draw the transition for Q naught on 0, comma 1. Whenever we are going to get new state, we have to perform the operation. We have to apply 0, comma 1 input on the new state. Here when we are not going to get any new state, we have to stop the process and we have to select the final state. How we are going to selecting the final state? Whatever the final state which is present in the NDFA, if that particular state is present in that state becomes the final state. In this example, see here, in first case Q3 is not there, in second case also Q3 is not there, in third case also Q3 is not there, here Q3 is there. So this state becomes the final state. Here also Q naught, Q1, Q3, this state is also becomes the final state, right. This is the given, this is the DFA for the given NDFA, right. In next class, I am going to take one more example and I will conclude that one. Thank you.